I can't believe how nice it is out here today. Just hanging out today, not doing too much. Don't have the boys or with their mother. I'm gonna find something good to barbecue tonight. Hanging out on James Street a little bit. I think I'm gonna go find an espresso. There's this cool little coffee shop that sells coffee machines and stuff on James Street. I'm tired of making instant coffee. I want something that makes a decent cup of coffee. I think being a parent is such a strange thing, you know? Kids are so much work, but then when I don't have them, like, I don't have anything to do. Honestly though, thank God for inventing kids. I'm completely lost without them. They're hilarious. Besides smelling sometimes. They keep me on the straight and narrow. I'd be a total disaster with them. On my weekends off, I usually find myself just roaming around trying to recharge the batteries, getting ready for the chaos of the coming week. Did you see that steak that I just got? Man, it's nice out here. I'm gonna go get an espresso. Barbecuing, definitely need a bottle of wine. Sunday afternoon, didn't really get anything accomplished last night. Ended up going out with some friends. Got to get into my workout right now, so just gonna head to the gym. Not gonna be working out with Aaron today, my little buddy, my workout partner. Man, it's a beautiful day out here again today. Have I mentioned how nice it is this weekend? Man, it was so different. Just last week we were having an ice storm. It sucked. This is so much better than that. The weather like this, it makes me feel alive. It makes me feel like being outside and doing stuff. Man, like whoever invented winter. Later on, I'm gonna barbecue that steak that I got from the farmer's market. Didn't get a chance to yesterday. Leaves that steak and that bottle of wine for tonight. That's good. After the workout. I definitely miss my little buddy today. He's usually the one that's with me to spot me and to motivate me, but working out on my own definitely does have its benefits as well. Had an awesome workout. Was able to relax, took my time, sat in the sauna for a while, had a nice relaxing shower, didn't have to worry about anybody else. That's my version of a day at the spa. It's time for barbecue. I really don't care. The only way I like to barbecue is with real wood, no matter how difficult it is. I feel like I'm barbecuing when I'm doing it this way. First barbecue of the year. Last week we had the worst ice storm of the year. We got the fire going, now let's get some rub on that steak. I always like things real simple, alright? So we don't need to get too complicated. This isn't a cooking show. Stick with me, I can teach you a couple things. Hang on. We got the steak right here. Let's get the B-roll. Okay. I like some of this stuff. The other stuff that I use in everything is black pepper. I use black pepper and seasoning salt all the time. So let's put some black pepper on there. Get some seasoned salt. We rub this in real nice here. That's it. Steak is prepared. Go. Steak, oh, hang on. I'm back. Steak's done. Wine's almost done. I'm half done. There's steak. Look at those sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes because you just stick them in the oven and they basically just take care of themselves. Once they cool down, they're a lot easier to peel. I'm just not that patient. I'm watching some Netflix and I want to get back to my movie and I want to have another glass of wine, and because Dad's weekend off is almost over and this is hot. Oh, this is hot. I never drink, guys. I don't remember the last time I had actually a drink, so I never actually get a bottle of wine. I thought it'd be cool for the video. Not me. The next time I cook for you, we'll probably be a little bit more organized because there won't be any wine involved. There probably won't be any wine involved. It ain't pretty, but it's a beautiful thing. Steak, sweet potato, salad. Dad's weekend off. Thanks for spending it with me. I love you guys. I love you, man. I'll see you in 2 weeks. I gotta go watch some Netflix. Did I say I love you, man? I love you, man.